So on the second generation Firebirds and Camaros, the mirror gaskets for your outside of your doors, Classic Industries, OER, sells one gasket that people have to use for both sides. They're not specifically designed with the correct left and right mentality, because you need to have more of an angle on your outside mirror for your passenger door, the right hand side. So we actually 3D printed. Jason actually is we're going to take this mirror off on this side. I'm going to have him show you how our new mirror gaskets that we will have for sale on our website to fix the problem. Whereas if you look at this right now, it's dipping down. So it makes it really hard when you're sitting in the car from the driver's seat to adjust this mirror to even be able to see down the side of the car at all. You need to bring up the outside of the mirror so it is sitting level, and that's what this new gasket is going to do. So I'm going to have Jason show you why our new gasket and the differences between it, and then
so on this piece, you can tell that we have a R insignia for the right-hand side, and an arrow is going to point forward, and that's our orientation of this gasket. I'm going to come back here and remove this mirror. And you have a little metal bracket. We're going to reuse this bracket.